Understanding the type code for the MSK Indramat synchronous motor. MSK is the series identifier. The motor size is 061. The length is C. The winding code is 0600. NN indicates that the motor cools via natural convection. M1 indicates that the encoder is optical with a single turn hyperface of 128 increments. U indicates that the power connection is via a rotatable 240-degree plug. G means that this motor has a plain shaft with a shaft sealing ring. The 1 means this motor features an electrically released holding brake. NNNN means there is no other special designs present. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is the place for repair and replacement of all Indramat servo motors and drives, including the MSK Indramat synchronous motor series.